It is Saturday, May 11th, 11/11, which is crazy. I literally just clicked this and it says May 11th, 11/11. Y'all see that? But y'all, we just got done packing sandwiches, chips, and we're gonna stop and get something to drink. I guess maybe like later once we get closer, because we're just trying to get there right now before Houston traffic start. But we're going to Galveston Beach today. We were supposed to go last weekend, but it was too much stuff going on. So we're now going today, Saturday, May 11th. Mother's Day is tomorrow, so it's kind of like cool. We get to go for his birthday a little bit, and then also just bringing in something for Mother's Day. But right now we about to go get some coffee from Dunkin's and then head there. We have a hour and 20-minute drive. It's 11:12 now. We're gonna be there at 12:32, and we just got the kids already in a bathing suit. Besides Ava, we gotta stop and get her one. Jordan's just in some shorts. I'm in a work outfit, and then he just in some shorts and a shirt. But yeah, so we'll get back to y'all once we on the road and getting it going. Peace. Down. Y'all turn that stuff down. So y'all, I'm trying the Dunkin's. We love Dunkin's. We don't drink Starbucks over here no more. We've been stopped. But this is a medium iced vanilla frosted donut signature latte. So, and it got like little cute sprinkles on top. I know y'all can't really see the brightness, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this. But I want y'all to see how it looks. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Ooh. That's good. For real. I don't know, and then I like how it's a little strong. It's not too sweet. Got like a little coffee taste. But yeah, y'all, so we got our Dunkin's. Now we're finna get on the road. So we'll get back to y'all once we getting a little closer. Peace.
This Disney DVD is announced with Disney's Fast Lane.
So hey y'all, we are now in Galveston. We have 27 minutes left. But y'all, we are finally almost there. I'm ready to be there. I haven't been here in some years. Y'all don't look the best, but hey, who cares? We here to have a great time. But yeah, y'all, how y'all feeling? Y'all ready?
Yeah!
Y'all ready?
Yeah!
We still gotta stop and get Ava something from like a bathing suit from Family Dollars or Dollar General, because she couldn't find hers and I don't know where it's at, y'all. But I'll get back to y'all once we're actually there getting the, yeah, peace.
Those people's chairs that they broke. Definitely gonna have to.
So y'all, we done made it out the car. We're on this little top area. Say hey, Mia. Quinn, say hey.
Hi! It's cold!
Jordan, say hey.
Hey!
Get right here so I can take a picture of y'all, baby. Okay, get right here so I can take a picture. didn't get to update y'all on what time it was since we got here. But yeah. Okay, make sure y'all be careful when we going down these steps. Come on, babe. Hold on to the stairs. Go ahead, Mill. Hold on to the stairs. You're all right, Mill. Hold on to the stairs. And sand is gonna get in your feet, but you'll be okay. Yeah, you should have. Look, they riding scooters. Whoa. Where should we go? Let's walk over here. Or we could sit here. How you feel, Jordan? It's just windy, right? Huh? Okay, wait. Huh? Right here? Let's go right here. Let's go right here. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hair. Y'all sit close. Okay. Who sandwich? Here. Who sandwich? Okay. You need to make sure you eat a sandwich too. Don't just worry about the Cheetos. You need to eat a sandwich too, guys. Y'all cold? Huh? You eating a sandwich? Y'all freezing? Is it really cold out here, guys? How do you feel? And it's your first time too. You want something to drink? Keep the wrapper so you won't be. Oh, well, y'all ran away again. I'm gonna eat another sandwich. Jordan, you want your food? You dirty. Y'all, his Cheeto flew out his mouth and hit me right in the face. Jordan, you want yours? You want some more? You can share this one because I only made like I think 7 or 8 or 9. I think I made like 9 of them. y'all doing? Can I see?
We make you faster.
Whoa. Hey, girl. Come on, Mew. Why are you scared? I got your bag. Come on. I got your bag. Whoa. Let's stand right here. Look, it's coming. It's coming. Woo. Jordan, get out the water with those chips. Whoa, Mew! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Yes, birds. Say what's up to the vlog. You enjoying it, babe? Just wish it was blue. We gotta go to like Corpus Christi water blue. I'm kind of scared. I don't be wanting to get too far up because jump. This boy. Jump! Jump! Oh, you okay? Yeah, it's nasty. It's salt. It's salty. Okay, come back some. Come back. Run! It's coming for you! It's coming for you! I don't know why, but it kind of feel like we going like in it. Like, you know when you drive a car, you park and the other people moving back, but it look like you moving too? That's what it feel like, right? Do it feel like that to you? Oh, here come a big. Oh, we gotta get closer in order to jump over it. Oh, jump! I'm scared. It's coming! It's coming! Ah! Ah! Boy, shut up. Ava! Whoa! Yeah! Allah, it's coming! It's coming! Ah! Mel, you scared, Mel? Okay, well, come on, girl, let's go! Ah! Woo! Oh, wow! Run, Mel, run! Okay, y'all, so I look I missed, but I changed in the car, y'all, and that was a bad idea because it's still like all this sand all over me, sand all over the floor, and I just cleaned the car a few days ago. Then the kids are all sandy and nasty, so y'all, the car is gonna be mad dirty, but we're just gonna have to get home and take some really good showers. And yeah, we're gonna have to get home and take some really good showers. and clean out the car tomorrow because y'all, this is unacceptable. But we had fun. It was a good time. This is what it's looking like. But y'all, tell me what we got chased by. Was those eagles?
Seagulls.
Seagulls, y'all. We got chased by seagulls because the food, the kids had dropped some chips and then he threw them. So then after that, it made them all come out and they all just started like chasing us. So y'all, that was so scary. We were like running and stuff. Everybody was looking at us and it was like a million birds.
It was honestly funny. They were scared.
It was scary. You was scared too, because every time we ran, it was ducking. It was like they just kept coming closer and closer. But y'all, we had so much fun. I definitely want to plan like to actually like come out and stay out here and then go to the beach and other little small things that's nearby. Probably this summer. Y'all look, they even got little rentals down there.
Turn left.
I just wish it was more sunny because, oh, look at that pizza place. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Y'all want to come back again this summer?
No.
Oh, dang. They all said no.
I don't want to go back because they will come back. I want to go.
Okay, y'all, but we'll get back to y'all. Peace. I know that means I'm a kid.
I don't do my No, that's my baby.
Okay, y'all, so it is 6:50. We just now cleaned out all the sand and wiped all the seeds down and got this car, as you can see, back together. The Dunkins is out of here, all the trash is out of here, all that sand that was on our seats, you guys can't see, let's see, all the sand that was on the floor is out of here, and those on the seat, all the trash, we got it all out.
You forgot the tape is not on.
Okay, we'll get it on.
Look. Show everybody this.
No. But yeah, guys, so now we are gonna end off this vlog. Just finna go get something to eat, and that's it for this Saturday. And that's it for this Saturday vlog. It was fun. Did you have fun? Did y'all have fun at the Galveston Beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, y'all, we all enjoyed ourselves. Now we just got church tomorrow and wash and clean, but we're gonna end this vlog. We're just about to go get some food. What do you want? I was thinking maybe Little Caesars.
When we turn, Little Caesars clean up. We could say Little Caesars.
I don't know, y'all. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat, and then I might chime back in and show y'all, and then we'll end the vlog. But thank y'all for spending this Saturday with us, having our family time out. It was much needed, y'all, because it'd be stressful out here in these streets and life be lifing. Look at my skin. Terrible. But peace.